Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the apps that keep deleted items. Tap Photos first, then Files, Mail, and Notes. Those apps each have a recently deleted or trash area. Once done, make sure you're signed into the correct iCloud or email account so you're viewing the right folders. You don't need extra tools, just confirm settings shows your accounts and that device connectivity is active. This prevents confusion between local and cloud deletions and gets you ready to locate recoverable items now. Now you will find and inspect the deleted items. In Photos, go to Albums, tap Recently Deleted, then preview thumbnails and dates. In Files, choose Browse and Recently Deleted. In Mail, open Mailboxes and choose Trash, or use Search to filter by sender or subject. Notes has its own Recently Deleted folder too. Make sure to check item age. Most apps auto-purge after a set period, then decide whether to restore or delete. This careful review stops accidental permanent loss. Finish by restoring what you need and emptying trash to free space. Tap Restore or Recover for each item, or use Edit and select to batch restore. To clear space, choose Delete All or Empty Recently Deleted. Then check Settings General iPhone Storage to confirm reclaimed space. If items don't appear, make sure iCloud Sync is enabled, you're signed into the right account, and Mail shows all mailboxes. If still missing, sign out and back in or check iCloud. COM as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.